Alright guys, here's just an update on my knife work in progress. Got it back from heat treating. Todd Hunt of TM Hunt Custom Knives did my heat treating. He also helped me out, thinned out the blade a little bit and added a distal taper from about, I don't know, here up. Thinned it right out, improved the balance a lot. Since I got it back, I have sharpened it. It's not exactly super sharp right now because I've been hand sanding the blade, but before I did that it was shaving sharp. It's almost ready for some handles. Stay tuned.